It's bourbon-infused tobacco leaves soap for men, and guess what?
What?
It's really pretty. I made the leaves out of soap dough. I think they look just like dried leaves, but someone on Instagram decided to tell me they look like dried fish.
Well,
So I deleted the comment
I think
because I thought it wasn't a very productive comment.
if you say it's dried leaves, then that's what you should see, not fish
I
or
mean,
whatever.
come on. Okay, if I think about fish, they look like dried fish, but I'm not thinking about fish. I'm thinking about a nice smelly cigar that the men like, and that's what this soap smells like.
And it smells like bourbon tobacco.
Yes, it smells like Ted's bourbon tobacco cigars.
That's right.
So get you some.
Oh.
It's releasing in October at some time, at some point. And the date will soon be figured out. We have to go camping first. We just have to. Now, what is this thing everybody's talking about? Godzilla versus Bigfoot. Is that a movie, or am I like?
Yeah,
What?
it's a movie.
No,
I mean,
it's not. It can't be.
it is.
Versus Bigfoot?
They make films like that.
Here's the color palette: brown, darker brown, although you can't tell yet. Silver,
Silvery blue.
dark silver. It's actually not blue, but
It's like
it
blue
it
silver.
might look like it right
Metallic
now.
silver blue. Yeah, because Godzilla and Big. I mean, you have all these matchups, like Predator versus Alien.
Well, who do you
I mean,
think you would win?
I can't be watching
Godzilla?
films like that.
Or Bigfoot? Obviously Bigfoot, because apparently he's magic, right? It's from another dimension or something, they say.
Yeah.
You know, in the 70s, maybe you didn't get this, but we all gathered around. We had TV Guide
Oh, we
back
have
then,
that.
okay? So we're like, oh, what's this, Daddy? It says Bigfoot versus Bambi cartoon is on at 9 o'clock. Can we stay up to watch it? And we all made popcorn and gathered around the TV, and it was April 1st, okay? And all of a sudden, it starts. And all it shows is Bambi eating grass, and then, I should have put a clip in here of it. That was too dark, I added TD. So, Bambi eating grass, and then Godzilla, whatever, comes out and steps on him and he's dead and it's over.
Oh my
The
god.
whole cartoon lasted 6 seconds or less, and we cried.
Yeah.
I mean, back then, when you wait for a TV show to come on, it was pretty exciting, right?
Yeah, that's what on TV guides and radio times, what they call this. You bookmark what you're going to watch for the month or whatever.
Right,
And you find out there'll be changes. So you'd be sat there waiting for a film to come on
and
and
then
be a
something
change.
else would come on. Oh, that was annoying. But it was April Fool's Day.
Yeah.
How could they do that to children?
Well, that was cruel to Bambi anyway.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. You could probably find it on YouTube. Look it up. It was, I'm sure it was Bigfoot versus Bambi. Dumbest thing ever.
And here we go
here comes
now
the
with the
chopstick
chopstick
again.
method. Round and round and round.
Now, just want to warn you guys, this soap comes out looking like a Rorschach test. You know, an ink blot test that the old psychologists used to use. Like, tell me what you see. Well, I see, whatever. I'll tell you what I see in this soap. Elephants. I don't know why.
Visual matrixing.
So what does that tell you about my psychological makeup? I have no idea. These are mica flakes. They're safe. They go down the drain. They're fine. Tobacco leaves, not dried fish, by the way.
I've never seen fish like that.
Well, I have, but on TV.
I mean, they do remind me of the big roasted peppers in antipasti, but you did say they were leaves, so you have to go with it, right?
I mean, I thought they looked like leaves, but anyways, if you want to buy your man a really nice soap, this one sells out every year, and I'll be letting you guys know when it drops very soon. We have to pick a date in October. It'll be at fruitsofaloon.com.
So feel free to fill your carrot.
Yeah, you're allowed.
All donations gratefully received.
Donations. Silly boy. So yeah, not dried fish. Sorry.
It's because of the lines, isn't it? But yeah, I mean.
Well, I mean, leaves have lines, do they not?
Yeah.
And we're talking about tobacco leaves. They're not the same as like a maple leaf. I looked them up. I saw what they looked like. And I made them look like that. Anyway, I love the color scheme of this soap.
And here comes the slicey time.
Yes. And here comes... Lay on my couch and tell me what you see.
Well,
The ink plot test.
look like a pair of buttocks to me, but there you go.
That's what a man would say. It's so Freudian.
Yeah,
that stuff.
I mean, it's visual matrix, and you can see what your mind tells you to see, right?
Right. But there's one bar where I see elephants. But anyway, I really like how this soap came out. I mean, look at that swirl. It's
It's a beautiful soap. All the colours are really, they meld together.
Yeah, it's a nice color combination.
Waiting for the elephants, baby. Have they gone now?
Let's see, elephants. Let's see. They're gone. I'm sorry. The elephants are gone. It was a different bar. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, bless you. Gesundheit. There's the elephants. Anybody else see elephants?
No.
Thank you for watching.
Look how
and
switty that looks.
See you next Saturday.
Bye, bye, bye,
Feel
cherry
free to
pie.
subscribe. If you like what you see, hit that like button.
Wee!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.